The 2025 Mitsubishi Galant marks the long-awaited return of a nameplate that once defined reliable, midsize sedans with a hint of sporty appeal. For years, the Galant was a staple in Mitsubishi's lineup before it was discontinued in the early 2010s. Now, in 2025, it's back, and it's not just a nostalgic revival, but a comprehensive reimagining designed to compete in a more demanding and tech-savvy market. The new Galant arrives as a sleek, mid-size sedan blending modern design cues with Mitsubishi's latest engineering innovations. The exterior is sculpted with aerodynamic precision, boasting a more dynamic silhouette than its predecessor. A bold front fascia featuring Mitsubishi's dynamic shield grille design gives the car an aggressive yet refined look. Slim LED headlights, a chiseled hood, and a flowing roofline suggest motion even when the car is at a standstill. At the rear, full-width LED taillights and a subtle lip spoiler complete the sporty aesthetic. Optional 19-inch alloy wheels and a range of vibrant color choices cater to both conservative and bold tastes. Under the hood, the 2025 Galant offers a choice of two powertrains. The standard model features a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated inline-4 engine tuned for smooth performance and fuel efficiency. For those craving more punch, Mitsubishi introduces a new 1.5-liter turbocharged engine paired with a mild hybrid system, delivering approximately 190 horsepower and improved torque for better acceleration. Power is sent to the front wheels through a refined CVT transmission, though an all-wheel drive variant is expected for select trims. Fuel efficiency is a key selling point, with combined EPA ratings projected to exceed 35 mpg, making it one of the more efficient vehicles in its class. Inside the cabin, the Galant offers a well-balanced mix of comfort, technology, and elegance. High-quality materials such as soft-touch plastics, brushed aluminum accents, and available leather-trimmed seating create a premium atmosphere. The interior is designed with driver-centric ergonomics, offering a clean and intuitive layout. A 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 10.8-inch touchscreen infotainment system take center stage, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Mitsubishi's updated M-Connect system. Physical buttons are retained for key functions, striking a balance between modernity and practicality. Rear seat passengers enjoy generous legroom and headroom, making the Galant suitable for families and long-distance travel. The trunk offers ample cargo space, and split-folding rear seats add flexibility for hauling larger items. Additional convenience features such as a panoramic sunroof, wireless charging pad, dual-zone climate control, and a premium audio system elevate the driving experience, especially in higher trims. In terms of safety, Mitsubishi equips the Galant with a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance features under the Mi Pilot Assist umbrella. Standard across all models are forward collision mitigation, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. Higher trims include features like a 360-degree camera system, traffic sign recognition, and semi-autonomous highway driving assist, bringing it in line with segment leaders. The 2025 Mitsubishi Galant aims to fill a void in the increasingly SUV-dominated automotive market by offering an engaging alternative for sedan enthusiasts. It combines style, value, comfort, and safety in a package that feels thoroughly modern while paying tribute to its legacy. Priced competitively against rivals like the Honda Accord, Toyota Camry, and Hyundai Sonata, the Galant's return offers a fresh choice for buyers seeking sophistication without sacrificing reliability. Mitsubishi's focus on quality, technology, and fuel efficiency could make the Galant one of the most surprising comebacks in recent automotive history.